Mercedes-Benz G580 EQ, testing quad motor tank turns and electric off-road water fording. Some vehicles become legends because they evolve. Others become legends because they refuse to. For decades, the G Wagon stood as a rolling contradiction: luxury icon, military-rooted machine, city status symbol, and genuine off-road weapon all at once. Boxy. Heavy. Expensive. Unmistakable. And now, in 2026, one of the boldest transformations in automotive history has arrived. Electric power. 4 motors. Silent torque. No traditional engine growl. No conventional locking differentials. No old-school drivetrain drama. This is the Mercedes-Benz G580 EQ. And today, we're asking the question nobody can ignore. Can an electric G-Class preserve the rugged legacy of the original while rewriting what off-road performance looks like? Or has luxury electrification gone too far? We're testing quad-motor tank turns, deep water fording, technical terrain control, and whether independent torque vectoring can outperform the mechanical systems enthusiasts have trusted for decades. Let's begin. Because first impressions matter. The G580 EQ still looks like a G Wagon should. Flat sides. Upright windshield. Commanding stance. Presence strong enough to silence parking lots. That's important. Mercedes understood one thing clearly. Change the powertrain if you must, but never lose the silhouette. Now let's talk about the biggest engineering shift: quad motors. Instead of one engine sending power through driveshafts, transfer cases, and locking differentials, the G580 uses 4 independently controlled electric motors. One for each wheel. That changes everything. Because torque no longer needs to be distributed mechanically after traction is lost. It can be delivered instantly, precisely, and individually before problems even develop. In simple language, the vehicle thinks faster than traditional hardware can react. Now imagine climbing loose rocks. One wheel slips. Another finds grip. A third hangs light in the air. In older systems, lockers engage to mechanically force traction across axles. Effective? Absolutely. But quad motors approach the same challenge digitally, sending exact power where it's needed in milliseconds. No hesitation. No clunk. No waiting. That is the future of traction control. Now let's address the headline party trick, the G-turn. Some call it gimmicky. But look deeper. A tank turn rotates the vehicle on the spot by spinning wheels on opposite sides in opposite directions. Yes, it's spectacular. Yes, it looks incredible on camera. But it also demonstrates something serious: independent motor authority at each wheel. That level of control can help in tight trails, narrow terrain corrections, and technical repositioning where space matters. It's entertainment backed by genuine engineering capability.